Hi, I'm Jessica, and welcome back to ChinesePod.
Hi, I'm Josh. 欢迎回到中文播客。
Today we've got some more grammar for you. We're going to be looking at how to use the action complete le particle in Chinese, which is different from the le that we've looked at in the previous video, which was the change of state le.
没错，我们今天不是要学下雨了的这个了，我们今天要学的是吃了饭的这个了。
Now, the most important takeaway from this lesson is that this is not an ed or a simple past tense equivalent in English, le. This le can be used in any verb tense, and the most important thing is that it's just signifying it's an action complete. So either the action has been completed if you're looking at it in the past tense, or the action will be completed for the future tense.
没错，我们开始吧。
We're going to start off by looking at how we use this le. So where do we place it in a sentence, maybe using a VO compound?
了要放在动词的后面，比如说敲门。
Okay, so 敲门, so that's the verb to knock on a door, right? So we would put it after the verb, correct? But before the object.
没错，所以我们会说敲了门。
Okay, so 敲了门, so knocking le on the door. I knocked on the door. So maybe we can have an example sentence with this VO compound.
比如说你拜访你的朋友。
Okay, you're going to see your friend.
朋友不在家。
Your friend isn't home, right? So you can say.
你可以说我敲了门，可是他不在家。
Okay, so I knocked. Action is complete. I already knocked. No one was home.
没错。
Where's your friend?
我现在才想起来，他昨天去了韩国。
Okay, we just remembered she yesterday. So again, we're looking at the past tense here. 去了, she already left. She went to South Korea.
对，他去了韩国。
All right, so friend's not here. I can ask you, well, 你在做什么? What are you doing now? Right?
我吃了饭，现在正要去图书馆。
Okay, so I just finished eating. 吃了饭. Just finished eating. Now I plan on going to the library, to visit the library.
没错。
So those are some examples of how we use le for past tense verbs. So now that we've looked at how to use this action complete le for actions that have been finished in the past, we're going to look at how to use it for the future. So we're going to start with actions that will be completed, right? So I can ask you, maybe Josh, what do you plan to do tomorrow? 你明天打算做什么？
你可能问我下班之后，对吧？所以我可以说我下了班要去看演唱会。
Okay, so when I'm finished working, 我下了班. So when I'm done work, again, comes after the verb 下了班. Then I plan to go watch a concert.
我下了班要去看演唱会。
Great, I'm going to watch a concert. So in English, we wouldn't really use this verb watch, but in Chinese, for a concert, you would say watch.
你可以说看演唱会，或是听演唱会。
Right, so you can use to watch a concert or to listen to a concert.
没错。
Okay, great. So that's one example for how we use it for the future. Why don't we start with an example of something that's going on right now? So maybe I call you and I'm like, Josh, 你在哪里? Where are you?
我们晚上要一起吃晚餐，所以我可以说我在面包店买了面包就回家。
Okay, so I'm at the 面包店, which is the bread shop or the bakery, right? I'm at the bakery. I'm going to buy bread and then I'll return home.
所以是买了面包就回家。
买了, so it comes after the verb, before the object. Great. Something I know you like to do is go to the gym. So maybe I can ask you, Josh, this Sunday, what time do you plan to go to the gym? How would we say that?
你可以说你星期天打算什么时候去健身房？
健身房 is the gym. Okay. And you can answer?
你可能早饭之后才要去健身房，所以你可以说我吃了早餐就去健身房。
Okay, so我吃了, I'm going to eat 早餐. So I'll eat breakfast first. Once that action is completed, even though we're talking about it in the future, right? On Sunday, once I finish breakfast, I plan or I'm going to go off.
所以是吃了早餐就去健身房。
Yeah, I'll be going to the gym. Get my workout on. Next.
Hello, We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod,